What I wish I knew about my dog's tail before, that I know now. Dogs can talk through their tails. Yes, you heard that right. The direction a dog wags its tail can actually show how they're feeling. A wag to the right means they're happy and excited, while a wag to the left can show they're feeling anxious or cautious. Isn't that pawsome? So next time your pup wags its tail, watch closely. You might just be reading their secret messages. If you loved this fun fact, give us a like, drop a comment, and hit subscribe for more amazing doggy insights. See you next time.